Hey everyone, this is Nick and welcome back to the Asus North America YouTube channel. Today we're going to take a quick look at a brand new ZenBook, the UX303. So it's this one right here that's sitting in front of me. You can see color-wise that it is a little bit more brownish or champagne-y compared to maybe some of the older models that you're used to being more silver. We call this one smoky brown. So this one comes in a 13.3 inch, you get a 1080p screen, you get a full touch screen, taking advantage of all that Windows 8 touch integration. You're going to get 8 gigs of RAM, you're going to get 128 gig SSD to keep things super snappy, and finally you're also going to get the brand newest Wi-Fi standard built-in 802.11ac. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn on this bad boy here. We'll hit the power button and we can kind of get an idea of how long it takes to boot this machine. So with that SSD, we can see that, wow, right off the bat, we are already in the desktop. On top of that, this UX303 that you have here, we see we have an extra large touchpad. You're going to see around the edge of the touchpad, we do have a nice little chrome lining, kind of give it a little bit of elegance there. And then key-wise, you are going to have backlit keys on the keyboard, of course, so you can get that work done in more low-lit environments where you might not be able to see the keys themselves. You can go ahead and turn that on here, and you should see on the edge the keys coming on. Okay, so we're going to take a look at some of the I/O ports here from the side view. You can see, first off, how thin this really is. You are going to get a very nice, easy to carry around package. So for traveling, on the go, this is going to be a perfect little laptop at a great price. Port-wise here, you can see closer to the lid, we have a couple USB 3 super speed ports, and then right next to it, we have an SD card port. So you can go ahead and move all that media on and off from cameras or phones to the computer and vice versa. Let's take a look at the other side now. And we can see on the other side we have our usual DC in, so go ahead and power your laptop. And then we have a couple video ports. We have a mini display port here, and then over one we have the HDMI port. Right in the middle here we have another USB 3 port, so all the USB ports on here are USB 3. Of course they'll be backwards compatible with any USB 2 or 1.1 devices, but benefit of the doubt, you'll get the fastest speeds that you can. And then lastly, we do have the combo jack. So this is a 3.5mm port, so same cable that you would use to plug in an auxiliary on a media player to connect to your car. This will accept both headphone and mic. It does go both ways, so you get the advantage of that. Okay, so let's take a look at the laptop itself. So design-wise, you can see the concentric circle theme continues on this ZenBook as well, the UX303. You can see kind of the color combination, and on the back side here, we can see the 4 rubber grommets that act as the feet, so to keep that laptop in place on hard surfaces, as well as some vent holes here. And you will see that venting air will come in, and then venting out will actually come from right above the keyboard. So you can see, if we can see that here, you can see the vents very clearly there on the air that's going to exhaust out. Okay, so this has been a quick look at the brand new UX303 configured here with a Core i5 and a 1080p touchscreen. For those that are looking maybe for a bit more power or even more resolution, there will be a high resolution Core i7 version coming soon in this exact same body. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Please leave any questions or comments below and subscribe to the Asus North America channel.